Okay, now here is another example how you can develop your child's creativity through paint and colors.
Finished.
Well done, Marcy. You've done a great job. It's beautiful. Very nice. It's a smiley monkey. Would you like to put it on your head in front of your face?
Yes.
So you can look like a real monkey. Okay, let's cut a piece of this wool. So let's measure your head. Okay, and you can leave a bit for tying this wool together. You can actually make it with, that should be all right. Could you please cut it off? You can make it with a rubber if you have. Very good. Excellent. Okay, don't put it away. Let's make 2 holes just on the side of your monkey. Just 2 tiny little holes. Excellent use of the knife. Just a tiny little hole. That should do it. Okay. And the same one on the other side.